Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I decided to record another video to help everybody out to understand just what you do with this page that you found yourself on. It's going to replace this video right here in Becoming a Millionaire and everything, so you probably won't see much difference in the actual, except for the content. The major thing that I've changed here is if you do nothing else when done watching the two videos above, go all the way to the bottom of the page. And by the way, I've added another source of income, the Magic in Your Mind. And if your page hasn't been updated with it, when you get your free page, it will shortly. I'm only one man working on these pages and setting them up for everybody, but the form is for the home of the $1 million annual income. And even if you don't want in on the offer, fill your information in and this will register you for the multiple streams of income program. This gets you a free website, and your website is going to be just like this one, with the exception of well, no exceptions, actually, because I do not have to have I'm going to give everybody a link here for the money-sucking websites, but basically, when you sign up for that program over there, you know, it's more or less redundant because the same form is right here. So let me show you what happens. If you click on that money-sucking website, you still are going to see this page. You still have to do these things here, these questions, and you still would click on that there and go over to this page here, and as you can see, it's the same form there. But if you're going to get forward to the same place, which is actually this page here. Like I've said in other videos, you want into the program, you're going to click on that. You're going to click on here, and that takes you to the ClickBank order page for the membership, which is $47. And as you can see, this I'm using somebody else's page here, and it leads to their money-sucking website membership because they have done everything that they need to do to get into the program, and they've gotten themselves a ClickBank account. Everything there is pretty much what you're going to do, and then unless, like I said before, you get yourself a ClickBank account before you sign up here, because I want you to put your ClickBank username right here. Okay, That way, when I get the form, I'm going to just code your page for you, and it's going to have all 6 of those money sucking website ClickBank ones here. Goal setting webinar. Life doesn't have to be so hard. The magic in your mind. Millionaire Society. Bob Proctor streaming. Sandy Gallagher streaming club. And money sucking websites. So let me encourage you to do just that. It made it as easy as possible. It's free to join and to get started. Everything is free here. So, just watch the 2 videos below and you will get the idea. Bob Proctor goes into sources of income, multiple sources of income, and that's what we're doing on this page. And this man here, Patrick Bet David, he has a formula that goes on both sides of the spectrum. It goes on the logical side and it goes on the emotional side. In other words, just watch the video. He'll have some surprises for you there, and that formula actually works like clockwork. So, as you can see, got a good program here. Let's go and get your free page, and let's do it to it.